To add favorite apps to the Edge panel for faster access on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Display. Tap Display. Scroll down the screen. Tap Edge panel. Make sure that Edge panel is turned on. If it's still off, tap the on-off switch to turn it on. Tap Panels, and then enable the Apps panel if it's not already selected. Next, drag the Edge panel handle toward the center to open the Edge panel. Swipe through the panels until you see the Apps panel. Tap the pencil icon at the bottom of the panel. Here, select your favorite apps to add it to the panel. Once done, go back to the home screen. By doing this, now you just need to swipe in from the Edge anytime to open your favorite apps instantly. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.